So here's the issue with safety. We can come at safety from two different directions. One is we can try to fix unsafe conditions. The other is we can try to address unsafe behaviors. I've made the analogy here of a cliff being the unsafe condition, something that people could fall off of. And the unsafe act is walking out too close to the edge of the cliff. But here's the problem. We're managing this system from the bottom of the cliff. Until an employee falls off this cliff, we don't know what the problem is and we don't generate any data. Well, this is the proposal. What if we started identifying the behaviors that immediately precede accident? Not every worker who walks out to the edge of a cliff falls off, but everybody who falls off walked out to the edge of the cliff. What if, for instance, we could move all of our employees 10 feet back from the edge of the cliff? Theoretically, if no one walks up to the edge of this cliff, no one falls off. We've discovered a behavioral control point. And if we can control this behavior at the top of the cliff, theoretically, we can control whether anybody falls off the cliff or not.
There's a lot to be learned by looking back at ourselves. Hi, I'm Terry Mathis, CEO of ProAct Safety. That was me 20 years ago talking about what behavior-based safety was. And you know, I still believe now what I believed back then. That behavior-based safety is the best way for organizations to accomplish world-class safety excellence. But you know, the business world has changed a lot over the last 2 decades, and traditional behavior-based safety hasn't kept pace with the change. That's why I developed Lean Behavior-Based Safety. Lean Behavior-Based Safety combines technologies from quality and performance management with lean manufacturing and Six Sigma to create a process that's as effective as traditional behavior-based safety, but a lot more efficient. That means you use less resources, you produce better results. Now you may be asking, how can you produce better results with less resources? ProAct Safety accomplishes this by really getting to know your organization. Behavior-based safety has produced better results over the last 20 years than any other safety process. And results are what it's really all about. ProAct Safety is committed to helping your organization achieve its safety goals. Let our representatives customize a safety process that's specifically tailored to fit your needs. Let us show you what lean behavior-based safety can do for you and your organization.